If you have not already, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I do post videos on here. It's usually about tech and unboxings. I do put up random things every now and then. Anyhow, you should enjoy it. Please like, comment, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. It helps the channel out more than you know. GlideGear overhead camera mount. Where do I start? I should start with the build. It is amazing. It's very sturdy. It's all steel. You could use it for how-to videos, unboxing. It works well for cooking. I shot a video with my son for a project at school. It was for cooking bacon. It worked out really well. I mean, we get some really good shots out of this thing. It's pretty cool. And the parts, as far as those goes, there's a lot of parts, but they're all needed. And the best thing about this is you don't need any tools to put this thing together. All hand tight. Little screws have little finger, like little knobs on them, so you can turn everything pretty much hand tight on here. No tools, no screwdrivers or anything. And the feet at the bottom, they have little cushions on them along the side. There's two sides. You sit it on any surfaces, it's going to be protected, and it works well for stabilization. So now this is going to be a really quick video. I'm almost at the end, but it doesn't take much. I mean, look what it is. I mean, it's a camera mount. So let's take a look at one of the examples here of how sturdy this thing is. So here's my Nikon camera. It weighs in, it's a Nikon P900, weighs in about 2 pounds. So it's not even a challenge for this thing. But you know what is a challenge? Check this out. This is me. I'm 228 pounds on a good day. Well, just take a look at it. This thing is really sturdy, and it wasn't even a challenge for me. I didn't feel it bending or wobbling or shaking. It is amazing. I would suggest going ahead and picking this up if you're trying to look for that top-down view. I mean, if you don't have the money and you're just trying to put something together, like, I mean, I've seen people use like the hangers for the backdrops that you can buy. Those are pretty cheap. But overall, this thing is well worth the money. It is so sturdy, and you will not be disappointed. And the mounts, you can mount pretty much, like I said, I mounted my P900 to it. It weighs 2 pounds. There's different holes across the top that you can adjust it, slide it from side to side and place it anywhere. You can put any attachments or like little mini lights or portable lights on it. And you can just screw it in the sides. Down each arm are screw holes. And you can pretty much mount anything to it. I've seen people mount screens for viewing their content on. Well, you know, while you're taking, some cameras don't have the screens that swivel. So you can attach the monitor to this, to the brackets on here, and it will suit your purposes. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Stop boring you guys. This is V. GlideGear overhead camera mount. I am out.